Oke, kita baru saja kedatangan sebuah paket dan ini adalah MacBook. Oh, sorry, Huawei Band. Oke, dan paketnya adalah sebuah Huawei, ya, Huawei Band 7 Ultra Thin Automatic SPO Long Life Battery. So this is powered by Harmony OS, ya, warna green color. Okay, made in China, import to Indonesia by Huawei. Okay, here is the specification. As you can see, less than 10 millimeter ultra thin, then 1.47 AMOLED, long battery life, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, SpO2, 69 workout modes, fast charging, and 5 ATM water resistant. Okay, this is a brand new Huawei. Alright, let's open it. Good. Okay, this is completely brand new. Okay, push here. Voila, here is it. Okay. Yeah, very small, very tiny. I like this. And then what else? Okay, only some numbers, and then okay, here we have the charger. It should fit here. Yes, fit. And then we have books. Okay, warranty card. Okay, with so many languages here in Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, India, Latin Africa, blah 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 blah. Okay, I will read that, and here is the instruction. Okay, I will try to this way. Yeah, this is how it's work. We have the charts and so on. I will check and I will tell you my comments later. Okay, that's its unboxing. Yeah, I hope you like it. Thank you.